In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues, and the forests whispered secrets of old, there existed a dragon named Zephyros. Unlike the fearsome tales of dragons that plagued human hearts with terror, Zephyros was a creature of wonder and wisdom, revered by all who knew of his existence. Samsung is making a massive statement with this S25 Edge, and the watchword is extreme thinness. Just imagine, only 5.8 millimeters thick. Yes, you heard that right. That's thinner than most pencils. And with a feather-light weight of 163 grams, it almost disappears in your hand or pocket, all while packing a giant 6.7-inch screen. It's pure engineering magic. And thinness doesn't mean fragility, quite the opposite. Samsung has gone all out with a titanium frame, yes, just like the S25 Ultra, for rock-solid durability. On the front, the new Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 protects the screen, and on the back, the tough Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And of course, it's IP68 certified, so no worries about water and dust. To give you an idea, the standard S25 is 7.2 millimeters. The iPhone 16 is rumored to be 7.8 millimeters. The difference is just jaw-dropping in hand. Hold on tight, because the screen is a pure marvel. We're talking about a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with Quad HD Plus resolution. The LTPO adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz ensures breathtaking fluidity, whether you're scrolling through social media or gaming hard. And the brightness, a peak of 2,600 nits. That's ultra bright, even in direct sunlight. Beneath this slim chassis lies an absolute beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's the same powerhouse chip found in the other S25 models, optimized for Galaxy. With 12GB of RAM and a choice of 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, expect lightning-fast responsiveness and flawless multitasking. Samsung has even redesigned the vapor chamber, thinner but wider, to keep the phone cool even when you're pushing it to its limits. On the camera front, Samsung has made a bold choice, 2 sensors instead of 3 to maximize thinness. But don't you worry, quality is far from sacrificed. The main sensor is a 200-megapixel monster with an f1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization. Imagine the sharpness, the detail, even in low light. It's the same sensor as the S25 Ultra, no less. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide isn't left out, now featuring autofocus and a macro mode for creative shots. So yes, no dedicated telephoto lens, but Samsung promises an optical quality digital zoom up to 2x, thanks to the main sensor's insane resolution. We can't wait to test that. And for your selfies, a 12-megapixel front-facing camera with a wider field of view. Video-wise, it's a festival, 8K at 30 frames per second, and get this, 4K at 120 frames per second, just like the Ultra. Your memories are about to enter a new dimension. Of course, Galaxy AI is at the heart of the experience. Features that learn from you simplify your daily life, with processing done mostly on-device to protect your data thanks to Samsung Knox Vault. We're talking Now Brief, Now Bar, and deep integration with Google's Gemini, especially Gemini Live for real-time interactions. And the best part, 7 years of Android and security updates. 7 years. That's just huge for longevity. Now, the point that's got everyone talking with such a slim design, the battery. We've got a 3,900 mAh capacity here. That's a bit less than the standard S25, and Samsung is going a bit against the trend of ever larger batteries. But they assure they've optimized power consumption thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process and software tweaks to last a full day with standard use. For power users, a small power bank might be a good companion. Charging is at 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless. It's not the fastest on the market, an accepted compromise for this record-breaking thinness. For everything else, it's all good. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C 3.2, and of course the latest version of Android with One UI. So, how much for this tech jewel? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is clearly positioned in the premium segment. Expect it to start at €1,249 for the 256GB version and €1,369 for the 512GB version. And listen up, great deal. During the pre-order period from May 13th to May 30th, 2025, Samsung is offering the 512GB version for the price of the 256GB one. Now's the time to grab it. It will be available in 3 gorgeous colors. light blue, absolute black, and silver. And the official release date is set for May 30th, 2025. Mark your calendars. Oh, what do you think of this Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge? Does this extreme thinness make you dream? Tell me everything in the comments. I can't wait to read your reactions. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, share it with your tech-loving friends, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming discoveries. This was your channel name. See you very soon for a new video. Peace out!